I know we all hate that dramatic music, you know, it's like, oh my God, it's here, the time is here. But I just want to say personally, you've all done amazing, guys. I'm so in awe of all of you. You want to be so proud of yourselves. Let's hear it again from guys. Honestly, it takes a lot of guts to get up here, and we are so talented. Okay, let's have the judges' comments. Let's start with Zoe.
I really just want to say, like, I'm so proud of you all, considering where you were all at last week and your online auditions, for those of you who did them, and like where you are now. You should all be so proud of yourself. It's absolutely unreal how far you've all come. Like, in a week, in 1 week, like, it's honestly mind-blowing. It's such a strong season we got, and like, I genuinely can't wait to see what the future got for you all, because you're all going places, I'll tell you that.
Thanks, so
Yeah, I've had a really good night tonight, and I've had the pleasure of watching you all, and I can't wait to watch the rest of the season and watch you all grow as well. It's such a passionate, what's it called? Season. Such a passionate season, this season, and I think that this final is going to be one to be like, wow. But well done on all your performances. You should be all so proud of yourself, and I'll continue to watch you grow. Well done. Thanks, Joey.
Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing, I suppose. You know, I think everyone in the room, your friends, your family can agree that the talent in this room is exceptional. All right, it is exceptional. And don't get me wrong, every season we've done today, we've had exceptional talent. But this is such a remarkable standard, and you all need to, you know, honour yourselves for that and be proud of what you're in. Because not just your own act of what you bring when you come up here, but the people you're surrounded by should allow you to push yourself to be a better version of yourself and want to grow and want to be the best you can be. Look at your surroundings and then go, do you know what? I'm going to smash this. I'm going to give my all. Honestly, from the auditions that we've seen to this was a massive step up, guys. Every single one of you, whether it's your presentation, whether it's the performance you brought today, or whether it's the vocals, or whether it's all of it, I have seen a step up from everyone. And I mean, I'm gutted Kelly couldn't be here with us all tonight too. But she will be back next week, so she'll get to see all the videos online by Tuesday anyway. So I'm not worried there, you know. But I did say potentially people could leave, all right? And this is a competition, and it has got to be cut down. All right, that's what our competitions go. We've got the themed weeks coming up from next week. So whoever is successful today will be given their theme from their separate mentor. So of course I'll be picking a theme this week coming for my category. Kelly will pick her theme for her category, and Zoe will pick her theme for her category. So the themes will be down to what the mentor gives you. So it might be different to another category, but it'll be that theme that you're given for that week. Now remember guys, the themes are there for challenges. They're there to challenge you. You can't go, oh no, I don't have any songs from this, or something like that. You're here to learn, guys, and I can assure you, if you push yourself through these themes, it will make such a dramatic difference in who you are as an artist. Because even though a lot of you already know who you are, and sort of thing, you know who you want to be, these themes are there to challenge you, all right? So don't shy away from them, jump straight at them and say, do you know what? No, I'm going to go for it. That's the mentality you all need, especially youngsters, because I know it can be scary when somebody says to you, I don't know, let's do a 60s song or something. You'll be like, man, what's that? Man, what's that? Girls, don't hold back. Go for it, all right? Push yourself, because it's all going to benefit you. It's all going to benefit all of you when you push yourself into different styles, different techniques, all right? So, back to the results. So, themes are next week, all right? And everything I've seen tonight, personally, and the girls agree, we want to see in the themes, all right? Now, realistically, we would be sending people right now home tonight. There would be a minimum of 2 people leaving. But honestly, guys, even with those people that need a lot of work, bless them, even with those that need a little bit more push and a little bit more courage, we still saw a step forward today, all right? And I think every person deserves a chance at the themes. Every one of you up there today deserves a chance at the themed weeks. If if you don't succeed in what we believe you will, then so be it. But you deserve an opportunity at the first themed night, alright? So, well done to you all, every single one of you we want to see next Sunday for the first theme, alright? But I can also announce now that no matter how good you all come out next week, people will be leaving. That is a fact, alright guys? We're pushing it forward to next week, but people will be leaving next week, alright? There's no steady amount. I can't say to you 1, 2, 3 or 4. It could be anything, but people will be leaving next week. So this is your opportunity now. Once your themes are given now, tonight or tomorrow when we send them all over to you, alright? Focus, alright? Because this is where the competition begins now, guys, right? And like I said, I'm proud of you all already. Don't ever doubt yourself against each other. It is a competition you've all put yourself into. People have got to leave. You're all aware of that. Somebody's going to leave at some point. And at the end of the day, there's only going to be 3 people left out of this lineup right at the end of this when we finish the season. Only 3 of you. And I'm sorry, but that's ridiculously talented. So for us to narrow this down to 3 people at the end of this is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. So guys, bring your A game, push yourself, use this whole platform to your advantage. Do what you want to do up there. Once you are up there, that's your space. So own it, alright? You've got to be bringing the most to you. And trust me guys, that's how you will grow and that's how you will build your confidence, your artistry and everything. Own it, alright? So well done to you all and we'll see you all in 3 weeks.